Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to back up your text messages or SMS on your mobile phone. As you can see, I'm using my phone and I'm going to be showing you the process by process for how you can be able to back up your SMSs or messages. Without wasting time, let's get started. Now you can see I'm using my phone and you can see I have this application. If I come and click to this application, you can see I'm gonna be going to my previous backups. This means that they are my previous backups and messages which are already stored to my drive. I have 3,331 message which are already backed up, and I have also call history or call logs which are equal to 1,516 which are also already backed up. You can see I've already backed up this 2 days ago, and you can see I'm having 46 which are waiting for being backed up SMSs, and also I'm having 118 call logs which are waiting to be backed up as well. This means that I can be able to restore anytime I need them, and also I can be able to watch it and also bring it. Let me try first to click on these view options and show you. It is going to be displaying different kind of details I have already backed up, and also these include my messages or my information which are also already backed up. As you can see, my phone is now blocking automatic scale backup. So this one you can also be able to tap here and check for. It may be depends on the phone, or it may be depends on the device you're using. To be able to achieve this, I'm gonna be showing you how you can be able to step by step. The first thing you have to do, we have to go into Play Store and download this application, which is called SMS Backup. Let me first install it. What you do is you go to Play Store or Apple Store if you are using iPhone, or depends on the device you're gonna be installing it to. You come and search for SMS. You go and search for this tool which is called SMS Backup. As you can see, it is gonna be searching for SMS Backup. And in the store you can be able to type this one, and also once you're done you can see this one which is having around 128,000 reviews and 4.2 out of 5 ratings. It is having over 10 million installations. What you have to do, you have to click on it, install. You can see now it is running fast. Let's now wait to get finished. As you can see, it is already now installed in our phone. What you have to do as first time users, we have to click on open. After clicking on open, you can see it is going to be opening the SMS backup. What you need to do, you need to be clicking on the get started, and also it is going to be clicking this one, allow option. The allow option is going to be also opening the access to managing the phone callers. Now you can see allow SMS backup and restore to access your phone call logs as well, because you'll not be backing up them. Now you can also be able to allow SMS backup to restore and send and even view your message. So now click on it. Once you're done, you can see the permissions you have already allowed it. So you can see now I have the messages I have already. You can see they have no backup yet. This is showing you an image of how it will be visible or how it will be showing. So if you need to be backing up now, you need to set up the backup. If you click on set up backup, they are requesting you see what would you like backup. Is it my message, call logs. They are showing me how many messages do I have in total on my phone, and also the number of call logs I have in my phone. They are saying that is only protected because of course it is not backed up. However, they are showing me that is not backed up because I have already signed out from my backed up account. What I have to do, I have to click next, and also I have to select which location I have to store my calls or messages. You can see I can be able to store it on my phone. not recommended. Also, you can even select it even not recommended. Here's what they are also showing you. And also you can be able to select Google Drive if you need. And if you select Google Drive, they're requesting you to log in. You can even choose to Dropbox, and also you can choose to only upload over Wi-Fi, even if or whether you're charging or not. As I have selected Google Drive, I have to set up also Google Drive or Gmail account to be able to use this option. Now let me click on it. After clicking on this option, you can see the account which is already logged in is one, but is having limited access. However, I don't want to use this account. Let me log out and come back to the new account. If I click on this configure, you can see now no account configured. I have to log in, and also after clicking on login, they're also showing me the type of access to Google Drive you need. Only access to this message that I'm gonna be also backing up, and also they give me different kind of messages I'm having on my phone, which I have to select the email, which is the one I'm gonna be using. Let me select this one, which is previous on my account, and also they will be bringing me all the backed up. I have already backed up. You can see if they're gonna be showing me all the message I have already stored on this account or this Google Drive, because I performed the Google Drive before. Now I have to accept this permission they are requesting me. After clicking on continue, I have to wait a moment. You can see authentication completed successfully. Now you can even also choose backups will not be deleted from the cloud. So you can also choose delete backup other than, you can choose to be deleting automatically the backup which is other than 1 week, whatever time you need. So what I need to do now, so my also account is already set up. Please configure the settings on OneDrive. So this one, you can see it is configured. You have to select the folder, which folder I'm gonna be storing this information to. They are scanning your folders. Also, they don't see any folder. Use this folder. Okay, so show history, you can save now. If you need to test, you can even test for further. So you can check the history if there is. Now if you need to test, you can test by uploading a test file. The test file was applied successfully, and also I have to click here. Then I can even come back to the section. Let's come back to home section. I show you wish to cancel setting up backups. You can see clicking here. Now if I click here, you can see they are showing me set up backup. Again, this means your option did not get successfully. So let's click next. Google Drive again, configure, and also you can see this account. Save. So now next as well. Wi charging over Wi-Fi, depends on what you need. So you have to set up how many days do you need a backup. Date allowing this time. If you need this time, you can click back now. As you can see, after hitting backup, it is now starting backing up my message. Now they are showing me that I have 3,215 messages and 1,516 messages I'm having on my phone, or sorry, callers that I can be able to back up. It is now going to be backing up, and also have to wait. You can see now it is on the section of calls 1,516. Now it is on 48-50%. You have to wait. Once it's done, it's going to be starting also the backup of your SMSs as well. We can be patient in a while and see once it's finalized to see what's going to be product of outcome. As you can see, the calls are now backed up. Now it is uploading to Google Drive. It is short file which is 418 kilobytes, and also it is now starting backing up on the SMSs. You can see it is fast as well, and as you can see, next schedule backup, it's tomorrow allowed to wherever I need to. This means that it depends on the time I have already scheduled my backup to be held every time. Once it is done, I'm going to be showing you where the message are saved, and also that you can be able to access your message at any time, and also you can be able to restore that message anytime. Let's suppose you bought a new phone. If you bought a new phone, you can be able to use this application as well to be able to restore this message to another phone. How you can be able to do it? It's the same way. You have to install this application to that phone and also use the restore option. And once you use the restore option, you will be having this folder in your Google Drive, and also you have to restore it from there. Once you restore it from there, you're going to be having all your message back to your phone. Let's see, this one is going to be ending, and also once to complete the process, I'm going to be showing you how everything is clearly displaying. You can see now it is allowed to be done, and also once it is done, I'm going to be showing you what is the outcome of the product. 789 15. You can see now it is uploading the file to Google Drive as well. The file is small as it is having 1 MB. As you can see now, the backup is complete. You can see all my message and the calls are backed up to this Google Drive. What I have to do, I can be able to click on details section, and also if I want to be checking on the SMSs on this today, let's try to open them. It is downloading the file, and also if I try to open this file, you can see it showing me all the messages. That means as I can be able to access my messages, and also I can be able to retrieve them whenever I need them. Also, I can be able to have all calls, and also everything can be able to display here. You can see now it is very simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, subscribe, and turn notification bell button for future video.